Another reason you want to charge premium prices to begin with is because when you have a referral list, you are more than likely a higher price than those that you refer customers to. So you can just have an agreement with the sitter that you refer customers to that they have to charge exactly what it is that you're charging. This makes everybody happy, right? The customer is still getting pet sitting at the same cost. The new pet sitter, the referred to pet sitter, is making more money when they take your referrals. Why would they ever want to stop that from happening and steal your customer, right? And you can be sure that the customer is a lot less likely to ditch you for the referral sitter in the future because it was the same cost as you are anyway. It's really a win win win. And more importantly, it actually sets you up to be a more premium service because you're showing your customers that you're not just in business for the money, but that you're in business to actually do all that you can to ensure that their animal is going to be taken care of, even if you can't be the one to do it. This is priceless and it sets you apart from the competition. So, if you decide that you are going to work this holiday season and you want to earn some extra cash for sacrificing your time with friends and family so that you have it for a rainy day or a snowy day, rest assured it can easily be done without the stress and chaos simply by having these tools in your toolbox: a rock solid cancellation policy, a clear and specific holiday fee, a wait list, a late booking fee, and bonus tip, a referral list for when you're already fully booked. All of these details can easily be put into a mass email and sent out to your customers or put on your website or your social media to ensure that everybody is up to date on your policies, your prices, and help alleviate any customers from giving you a bad review because they had to cancel. Now, be careful because if you suffer from perfectionism, as I have in the past, I'm a recovering perfectionist, as a matter of fact, then it's so easy to get hung up on making pretty graphics and like a beautiful flyer to hand out to your customers or email to them. No, keep it simple. You do not need all of that. All that's important are these tools and making sure that you communicate them clearly and concisely. So, as you can see, it's super easy and your choice to take the initiative to ensure that your holiday season is peaceful and joyful. Unless, I mean, you're worried about what other people are going to think about you and you just keep doing the same thing, expecting different results this year. The cool thing is, the choice is yours. So, what will it be? Are you going to have a joyful, peaceful, happy holiday season? Or is it going to be another year of stress, chaos, and burnout? Because I really hope that it's a joyful one for you too.